To see all flows activities, click on a gear icon and select the activity. On the activity screen, you can find activities from all flows, separated by days. To see more, just click Show More. If you want to see only notifications, select the notification command. You will see here only one notification we had. If you remember, we ran one flow for item inventory notification. Or you can select the failures command to list only unsuccessful flows. Let's click the all activity command to see all runs, and we can check details about one flow, selecting it. If you want to see all runs only for this one flow, click Go Back arrow and on the new screen select All Runs. System will show completely run history for this one specific flow.